Okay? So that way, if they can't come to the first date, they can come on the second date. Now, Auntie Rose, if they don't come by the second date, you know you need new friends, right? And they start laughing, they go, oh, it's so funny. I'm like, oh no. Yeah? So they start like understanding, they go, okay. Now there's still some people that go, but I still want to speak to my friends. And I've got something for those kind of people, and I'm going to show you. But do you think that that will help? That slot there, when you know someone, they will say it. So then, now I know you're going to need to speak to your friends, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 dates to work with. Now when you do book the dates, I'm going to go through where you can get a weekday and you can get a weekend. Because some people will make it do it during the week, and some people will be able to make it on the weekend. So really, if you give them 2 different dates like that, they may even host 2 parties. Because some people will say yes to the first one and some people will say yes to the second one. Does that make sense? Okay? So, here it is. Now I'm going to put a gap there because in some cases you might want to use the shift work and things like that. You may not need to use it at all. But I'm going to put that there as an additional option. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah? So, now I know you're going to need to speak to your friends.